Once upon a time, in a dense forest, there lived a little sparrow named Chikku. She was born with a small, weak wings, which made her flying long distances almost impossible. While other sparrows soared through the skies with ease, Chikku struggled to keep up. She often felt left out and wished she could be like the others. One day, the sparrows of earth flock decided to migrate to a fairer land. It was a traditional that ensured their survival during the harsh winter. Chiku was terrified. She had never flown such a long distance before. What if I fall? What if I can't make it? She thought. Her fears grew when some of the older sparrows whispered, "She's too weak. She will never make it." Determined not to give up, Chiku approached her mother. "What should I do, Mom? Everyone thinks I can't do it." Her mother smiled warmly and said, "Strength is not just your wings, my dear. It is in your spirit. Take the journey one flap at a time and never lose hope." Encouraged by her mother's words, Chiku decided to prepare herself for weeks. She practiced flying small distances every morning, gradually increasing her stamina. She faced challenges for strong winds, fatigue, and sometimes even ridicule for her peers. But each time she faltered, she reminded herself of her mother's advice. When the day of migration arrived, Chiku was both excited and nervous. As the flock flew up, she stayed near the beck, flapping her wings as hard as she could. The journey was grueling. There were times when she felt like giving up, especially when the flock flew over vast ocean and high mountains. But Chiku kept going, resting when needed and drawing strength from her resolve. Midway through the journey, a sudden storm struck. Flock scattered in all directions, each bird struggling to find safety. Chiku found herself alone, tossed around by the fire winds. For a moment, she thought it was the end. But then she remembered her training and the courage she built over the weeks. She flapped her wings with every ounce of strength she had, pushing herself through the storm. When the skies cleared, Chiku was amazed to see that she had not only survived but had also reunited with some of her flock members who had been struggling. Her persistency had paid off. Over the next few days, Chiku continued to fly, sometimes helping other sparrows along the way. Finally, they reached their destination alas. From that day on, Chiku became an inspiration to her flock. Whenever a young sparrow hesitated or feared failure, the elders would say, "Remember Chiku, the little sparrow who taught us that no challenge is too great if you have the courage to try." And so Chiku's story became a legend, reminding everyone that perseverance and belief in oneself can overcome any obstacle.